Hi, I'm Tony Harris, and today I'm going to take you on a tour through our reconditioning process known as Renew by Rollx Vans.
At Rollx Vans, we manufacture nearly 1,000 vehicles every year. About 35% of those vehicles are part of our Renew reconditioning process, where we take a used vehicle in on trade and completely recondition it inside and out, giving it a like-new feel. The first step in the 4 to 5 week process when taking a used vehicle in on trade is to do a complete evaluation, determining what updates are necessary to meet our Renew safety, quality, and appearance standards. This also includes a complete mechanical inspection, where we look at brakes, rotors, frame structure, air conditioning, brake lines, transmission, engine, and the entire fuel system. At this time, we will also change engine fluids, filters, and replace any damaged ground effects. Over 100 Rollx Vans employees are dedicated to delivering the highest quality vehicles available. Because our vehicles are delivered nationwide and internationally, our certified technicians ensure that the adaptive equipment and modifications are updated to meet the highest standards of safety within the industry. Undercarriage, frame, suspension updates, and replacement of exhaust components are done on many vehicles. Brakes, rotors, and tires are replaced on every vehicle where the remaining life is less than 50%. Finally, a computerized 4-wheel alignment is done to strict factory specifications. All documentation is logged and permanently recorded and stored by the vehicle's stock number within our facility. Interior detailing is never overlooked during the reconditioning process. Other companies simply shampoo carpets, leaving a musty odor and dull appearance. At Renew by Rollx Vans, every one of our reconditioned vehicles has brand new carpet installed. The carpet is replaced with the same quality the original manufacturer used in their new vehicles. We install a high-density industrial foam under the new carpet. This foam insulation not only provides thermal benefits, but also enhances soundproofing, adds a layer of comfort, and is user-friendly with both manual and electric wheelchairs and scooters. The result is a fresh, new look and that new car smell. This level of detail is standard in every Renew vehicle. Each year, we make numerous improvements to our vehicles at Rollx Vans. Many of these updates are also incorporated into our Renew vehicles, including the electronic kneeling system, power ramp, and our advanced electronics package that controls and operates these systems. Some of the vehicles that we recondition were not originally manufactured by Rollx Vans. By replacing many of their components, we ensure a smoother service experience for the end user and guarantee that parts are readily available. The vehicle is then sent to our advanced body and paint department. We use the same techniques as the original manufacturer and a computerized mixing station to ensure a flawless paint match. In this stage, minor dents and scratches are repaired, buffed, and professionally painted, and door alignments are adjusted for a precise, airtight fit. If the windshield is chipped or damaged, it will be repaired or replaced at this time. The vehicle is then sent to a professional detailing department where it undergoes thorough cleaning inside and out, ensuring your Renew vehicle has that fresh, new car feel. To conclude our Renew process, each vehicle undergoes a final inspection, ensuring that every detail meets our standards and is thoroughly documented. When you see the Renew sticker on the inside of the door, it guarantees that the vehicle surpasses the highest industry standards of safety before you take delivery.
Thank you for taking time to watch this video and learn more about our Renew process. We would love to help you find a vehicle that suits your needs. Feel free to contact us on our website or give us a call at 800-956-6668. We look forward to helping you.